Hello friends, welcome to NJCF. We are learning social science of 10th standard, and from the previous video we have started with a fourth chapter, that is literary heritage of India. We have seen that people used to express their feelings, ideas, emotions in different ways, and this led to invention of dialects or scripts. Script contributed to the development of language, and use of language led to the creation of literature. So in this video we are going to talk about language and literature. If we quickly look at the history, we can see an emergence of variety of languages since centuries. One study shows that there are around 7,000 different languages in the world. These languages influenced one another and resulted in the development of literature. So what do you mean by literature? Literature means written words, and it can be on any particular topic. As a result, some new languages and literature have developed and flourished. The best example of this is Sanskrit language. Sanskrit language is 3,500 years old. Sanskrit language is less in use in present time, but religious ceremonies and worshipping rituals are built in Sanskrit language. So we see that during ceremonies, during weddings, during yajna or puja, Sanskrit sloks are spoken. It is actually little difficult language due to its pronunciation, but Sanskrit literature is vast. Generally, language provides opportunity for the humans for better expression and understanding. India's most ancient script is that of Harappan civilization, which has not been deciphered, and so we have not obtained much information about their languages. So connection of Harappan civilization script with Indian writing system is not proper, and this is the main reason why the Indus Valley civilization is one of the least known civilization. So when we talk about Indus Valley civilization, it was generally written from right to left. There are some exceptions where the writing is bidirectional, which means that the direction of the writing is in one direction on one line, but in opposite direction on the next line. So here you can see some Harappan civilization script. This writing system remains undeciphered. That's why it is not in that much use. Maharshi Panini was a great Sanskrit grammarian. The most important book of this time is Maharshi Panini's Ashtadhyayi, which is a noteworthy book of Sanskrit grammar of 4th century. Maharshi Panini was also known as the father of Sanskrit language. The name of his grammar is Ashtadhyayi, which consists of 8 chapters and about 4,000 sutras. Contribution of Panini to the Sanskrit language is considered uncomparable. Ashtadhyayi is not just a grammar book, but it is a complete picture of Indian society. Geography, social, economic, education, political life, philosophical thinking, food and lifestyle, etc. are written from place to place at that time. So Sanskrit is considered the language of Aryans, language of sages, or language of scholars. It has been accepted by all at the international level that Sanskrit is the best language for the computer use. Yes, you will be surprised to know that NASA claims that Sanskrit is the most suitable language to develop computer programming for their artificial intelligence program. So now you can understand the importance of Sanskrit language. Even many colleges in foreign countries adopted Sanskrit as a subject in their academic curriculum. And Maharshi Panini was the scholar of Sanskrit language. So you can understand the depth of his knowledge. Now in the next video, Sanskrit was the chief language for knowledge, science, religion and philosophy. That's why it is the best language for computer use. Now in the next video, we will talk about ancient Indian literature.